Okay, this is chiropractic. We help subluxations, putting pressure on the nerves. The subluxations put pressure right on the nerves, causing numbness in the hands, back pain, headaches, sciatica. If you think you're too young to be adjusted or too old, you're not. Find a chiropractor locally in your area and get adjusted. Almost every NFL team uses a chiropractor. It's not just for back pain.
Even Metallica has a chiropractor.
Even Metallica uses chiropractic. You can Google that. It works. So chiropractic's healthy, and don't be scared.
I love it. I've been using it since I've been a young kid.
And breathe it. And breathe it. Oh, there you go. Then let's have you sit. Sit right here, and we'll adjust you this way so everybody gets to see you.
Okay.
Yes.
Yo, what's up?